This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on Bitcoin today. Bitcoin I actually observed setting up yesterday. Here, this is the pre-market structural range, this orange line that you see here. There's an orange line under this yellow line. They're just very close together in case you can't see the difference. But these orange lines represent the market structure from yesterday's pre-market. This is a Fibonacci retracement tool. I'll remove it so that we can see price action better here. But here on the 15-minute, here shortly after the this candle is the New York Open. We can see that we get some aggressive selling here. What I have is you can see this price action consolidating. Price action did sell off earlier and then started consolidating in this area. With this candle here, we get a break of structure, which would signal a potential continuation in price action from the previous sell-off before the consolidation. Here we get continued sell-off, and then we get consolidation here. And then we buy back up. I take an entry here. I'll show you on Fibonacci, the Fibonacci retracement tool. When I had it up, it'll show you my idea for entry. So I set my Fibonacci back here. And then also what I'm seeing back here, these candles here form an order block. So this actually traded back into this order block. So I set the Fibonacci from the for this short trade from the high that initiated the break of structure here down to the low here, and then just allow for price action to come back to this 0.79 here, and then I'm able to get an entry here, and this is the London Open. I believe the London Open is right here. So got some pullback during consolidation and pullback during the London Open, and then some buying that triggered my limit order to sell. We can see that price action tested the high of this range and this order block, and then began to sell off. And then I have a potential trade set up for today, but we can see this price action here. After failing, or after this order block held, we can see price action stepping down. Then we get this here. This is a market structure shift. So since that was in Bitcoin was in an uptrend, this triggers a potential sell on Bitcoin, and then we can see displacement here in these following candles and all the way down. I actually took profits down here at the lower end of this range. Another profit area could have been the low of this Sunday trading day here, but the idea was to target this sell side liquidity that's located down here. I originally had my target set for here, but then adjusted it for here, but it still got down here to this lower level. Could have had some more profits, but this is a new trading system that I'm working on, so not entirely familiar with what it can or cannot do, but working on it, and so far so good as far as in trading on it. So far it's been 50-50, which is a great number. Out of 4 trades, it's been 50-50. I need a larger sample size, but a 50-50 probability sounds really good when you can manage your risk and get good risk to reward on your trades. Where's my up arrow? I believe it's down here somewhere. I can pull it up because I certainly didn't take profits down at the bottom. Again, with this one here, pull it up. But yeah, this is my trade on Bitcoin. Also, we'll go into my tickets. And here you can see at 3:11 the trade was entered, and then at 8:33 it closed. I could have taken a little bit larger size. I miscalculated misentered my stop loss, and it was actually wider than intended. But $3 risk and a $10 profit, so a little over 3-to-1. Could have likely been a 4-to-1 or better situation had I managed it a bit better. But this is my trade today on Bitcoin. And then I have another potential trade on which I need to set the Fibonacci for. And I have another potential trade on Ethereum coming up as well. But I will get on these or get set back up to potentially take these positions. But again, this is my trade on Bitcoin, and this is On Tilt Trading, and we'll see you next time.